there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be the most interesting video you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this money-making tutorial, I will show you how to earn $415 with Google Translate. This is free and available worldwide. Stay tuned and never miss every step presented in the video. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning and new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I recommend that you begin by visiting Latium.org. This platform has a lot of earning potential, but before I show you how to sign up for it and how much money you can make with very little effort and just a few taps and clicks on our screen, we will be able to make money using this platform. On the Latium side, hover your mouse over Explore Projects and click it. After clicking, you'll be led to this page, which lists all of the platform's featured projects. As you can see, each task pays a lot of money. A single assignment might earn you thousands of dollars, and the best part is that there are hundreds of projects to select from. So to give you the best chance of finding anything you like, let me describe what we're trying to do in Latium in the simplest terms possible. The first step is to join up, after which you must select and apply for the project on which you intend to work. If you are accepted, you'll continue on to stage 2, which is to finish and submit the project according to the customer's specifications. The money release is the third and last phase. That's all there is to it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You won't have to worry about the payment process because they pay within 24 hours, which is simply incredible. Now I'll show you how to correctly register at Latium in order to receive a welcome bonus. Stick with me until you've grasped the details, then click this button right here where it says I want to work to get that signing bonus. You will be required to supply Latium with the essential details and information for your account to be successfully registered after clicking. After you've completed the sign-up process, they'll give you a verification email, and once you confirm your account by email, you'll get an instant sign-up bonus. After successfully joining up, be sure to check your email for a verification email and click on the verification link. You'll be able to see if you've earned the signing-up bonus after that. This platform has the advantage of being available from anywhere in the world, making it an excellent opportunity for people to start their own business and support themselves and their family. Imagine being able to complete a single project that pays off handsomely. It would change your life tremendously. You may browse all of the categories accessible on this platform by returning to the left-hand side of the Explore Project page. This category, and so on are some instances. Now, in order to save you time, I'll give you another recommendation on how and where to focus this method so that you may establish a steady flow of money that you can turn into a consistent income stream so that you can make money for the sake of making money. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning and new and making strategies online. Let's focus entirely on translation and languages for the time being. Don't worry, you won't need any technological skills, a large social media following, or a lengthy CV to prove your life achievements in order for the plan to work, because as I previously stated, it won't require any effort from you. All you have to do is use Google Translate and click and tap on the appropriate buttons. Service providers receive this amount or more for each project they complete, as seen in the featured project section, meaning that you may make a lot of money if you work on numerous projects at once. Here are some examples of articles that these clients would want you to translate. Think about how much money you could make from each translation task. It has the potential to completely translate your life. The income for each project as well as the payment options will vary. Some customers will use PayPal or similar services to pay, while others will use cryptocurrencies. So let me show you how to translate a brief article so that you can understand the whole strategy and concept of making money online with this Google app. So go to google.com and search for Google Translate in the search box. After selecting search, you'll be taken to the screen where you can translate words or phrases. Simply copy and paste the information in its original language into the left-hand column after filling in the article's original language and the language you want the article to be in this box separately. It will instantly convert into English when you paste it. But aren't these boxes too small? Let's expand the size of this translation tools page. You can either click on the Google Translate link or put translate.google.com into your browser to be redirected right away. You'll be taken here after clicking or typing the link on a page with larger translation boxes. Allow me to demonstrate how to use this tool to translate. You will upload the original article in its native language in this box where it says Detect Language once more. If I copy and paste it over here on the left, for example, it will immediately recognize the copied item's language and convert it to English. If it detects, it's fantastic and time-saving. That is the general service. You enter the article to be translated into this box, and it is translated in seconds. Another Google Translate alternative is to send your project file as a Word document to be translated. It will automatically translate the document that has been uploaded. Returning to Latium projects, these translated projects can simply be submitted. You'll have a quick turnaround time and an excellent relationship with your clients once they're finished. We should take advantage of the chance because the technique is still relatively new and just a few people are aware of it. The method is simple to implement, as you can see from the examples. Simply copy and paste the provided project into Google Translate and the result will appear in a matter of seconds. Boom! It's all about the money. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to earn $415 with Google Translate. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of the future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.